Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be installing these Fender Emblems. These are the black and red WRX emblems. They're going to go for the stock chrome, and we're just going to swap them out. I'm going to show you guys how to remove the stock chrome and how to install these. This should take you less than 5 minutes, well, maybe 10 minutes to both sides. It's a really easy install. These are really inexpensive. I'll link them in the description below. Before we get started, guys, if you want to see more automotive content, you want to see me do more modifications to my WRX, or you want to follow the channel and see some dope Subaru content, be sure to subscribe to the channel, or at least consider subscribing to the channel, and let's get straight into this. So I'm going to show you guys the install. If you don't want to actually see the install and you just want to see the beauty shots of what these look like compared to those, you can skip to the end of the video, but for right now we're going to do the install and then we'll get into beauty shots. I'm going to start by opening the front door here so we can have some access with our finger. Now we have access here to be able to pull here. And then I just have a heat gun. We're gonna heat this up to loosen the adhesive that's behind it, so let's get at this. We're just gonna start working this a little bit to start loosening that bond. It's gonna feel like there's a really strong bond right here on the edge. So we need to just get behind this, and we're gonna have to adjust the door a little bit here. And there we go. Once we break this corner, the rest will just peel right off. And there we go, came right off. I'm just removing the existing adhesive while it's still warm because some of it's stuck, which means I just overheated the side emblem just a little bit too much. So I'm just gonna remove this a little bit. Now it's a little bit dirty, but just around the edges, so we're just gonna give this a little bit of clean. This is the existing Fender emblem, pretty easy to come off. You can see adhesive on the back. We're gonna save this in case we ever need to go back to stock. Easy to put back on, just goes in. No special clips or anything. It has one anchoring point, has a mounting point right there, but that's just gonna anchor there. Pretty easy, right there, sorry. So let's look at the new one. It's gonna replace this. New one's basically the same. You look at the back of it, 3M tape, same guide hole. We're just gonna fit it in. We're gonna just test fit this for a second. So it goes into the guide hole. There we go. So pretty good fitment. So now we're gonna take off the double-sided tape. We're gonna line up the guide holes. We'll start with the front so we get a good fitment on the front. And we'll move to the back. Put some good pressure onto this. There we go. Pretty easy installation. Took a few minutes. We're gonna go to the other side and then we'll shoot some beauty shots. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the B-roll footage, because I certainly did. I enjoyed filming it. Let's look at the fenders a little bit more. I think this is one of the best mods, honestly, for what, 20 bucks maybe? I spent maybe $20 on these things. It really changed the car. I mean, let's take a look at it. We're gonna look through the camera and I'm gonna talk a little bit because looking at me gets boring. So let's go look at them. I mean, look at the car. So it's such a small piece of the car, right? It just does a little bit here. You can see that this is now black and chrome. It actually stands out now, which I really like. And if you look at the car, the The white and black theme is going strong here, and I know that the B-roll footage wasn't that great because it's such a small modification. Such a subtle change can make such a difference here, guys. And I don't know, I think it really ties the car together. You know, with the black wheels, the black headlights, the little bit of tint we got going on, it really ties the front of the car together. In my opinion, $20 well spent. I mean, I really wouldn't change much about this. I really love the way it looks. It was such an easy install to get it done. It really changes the car. It's something, you know, to look at. It's pretty high quality. The camera's not focusing well. It's a little late at night here. It's pretty high quality. I mean, I got nothing bad to say about it. It's just such a good modification. Good fitment here, good fitment. I'm really happy with the fitment and generally the way it looks. So it's really nice. I'm really happy with it. I definitely recommend this kind of modification. And look at the difference it makes. It really ties the car together. It's one more accent piece. I bought some vinyl wrap. I'm gonna vinyl wrap above and below this black, so I get more of an accenting. It almost like cuts the first third of the car off from the rear. We're gonna see how it looks. I'm considering wrapping the side view mirrors and the roof. Let me know what you guys think. Do you like the white of the side view mirrors? Or would you like them black? Same with the roof. I think the roof would look better black. I can't tell with the side view mirrors. Maybe I try it. If I don't like it, I take it off. They look pretty good as they are now because they're like a third black, 2/3 white. It's a tough one. What do you guys think? Well, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I certainly enjoyed making this one. I hope you guys have a great day. Stay safe. I'm trying out this new gimbal. I know it's a little bit weird. I'm still learning it. It's the DJI Ronin SC. It was a Christmas present. Very happy with it. So, oh yeah, look at that. It's a learning experience, but I think moving around the car is a lot more smooth. It's a lot smoother. That was terrible English. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna be doing a lot more filming of other cars now that I have this capability and I can get good shots done. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give me a thumbs up if you do. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing, and have a great day, guys. Thank you. Appreciate it.